Welcome to the Uduoba IT Company Limited podcast, the show where technology meets business, innovation, and growth. Here we dive into information technology solutions that power the modern world, from infrastructure and website development to digital marketing, e-commerce, and beyond. If you want to stay ahead in today's digital age, you are in the right place. This is the Uduoba IT Company Limited podcast. Let's get started.
Hello. Welcome to today's episode. Today I will be talking about something we all face: the agonizing decision to fix or replace a piece of tech. You know the feeling. Your phone screen is cracked. Your laptop is running slower. Or your tablet wouldn't just charge right. The instinctive response is often to buy the latest model. It's easy, shiny, and it feels like the part of the least resistance. But what if I told you that nearly in every case, repairing your device is the smarter, more economical, and more responsible choice? It's a decision that saves you money, saves you time, and helps our planet. Let's explore the economics of repair. A brand new smartphone or a high-end laptop is often a significant investment, often costing thousands. In contrast, a typical repair, like replacing a battery or a screen or swapping a failing hard drive, is usually just a fraction of the cost of buying a new device. Think about the depreciation curve. Gadgets lose their value immediately after purchase. They automatically become second-hand and not brand new anymore. But by the time they need repair, you have already paid for them. And guess what? They are still powerful and useful. When you repair, you often buy yourself several more years of reliable use for a small investment. For example, replacing a laptop battery can often give a 3-year-old laptop a new lease of life, saving you from spending thousands on a new one. A huge saving for your wallet. At Uduoba IT Company Limited, we always give you honest assessment of whether the repair cost truly outweighs the value of the device. We tell you, but more often than not, fixing it's a clear financial winner. Beyond finance, let's talk about digital life, data, security, and convenience. When you buy a new device, you are often faced with the frustrating process of migrating data, setting up logins, rearranging your home screen, and ensuring all photos and documents are transferred. A huge time sink. If you haven't backed up your data, you risk losing everything. But when you repair a device, your digital world remains intact. Your preference, files, and password are exactly where you left them. It's the ultimate convenience. The data on a failing device, photos, videos, documents, personal files, contacts, contract, personal correspondence is often priceless and unique, unlike hardware which can be replaced These data can't be bought. While the cost of a new device might be compared to a repair, the true cost of replacing it includes losing all your data and the emotional toll of losing your data too. Equally important is data security. At a certified repair center like Uduoba IT Company Limited, repairs are conducted in a controlled and professional environment, ensuring your sensitive data stay private and protected. Finally, this is an issue that affects also e-waste. Each time a functional device is discarded, it adds to the world's most fastest growing waste stream. Manufacturing electronics consumes enormous energy and uses precious finite resources like gold, palladium, and copper. When you choose to repair, you participate in the circular economy. You extend the life cycle of these resources, reduce demand for manufacturing, and keep toxic materials like lead, mercury, and other e-waste out of landfill. In short, repairing is the greenest choice you can make for your electronics. It's a simple, impactful action that shows respect for our planet. So next time your device gives you trouble, pause before impulsively buying a new one. Remember the three major benefits. It's economical, it saves you significant money, it's convenient, it keeps your data and your setup intact, it's sustainable, you reduce e-waste and conserve resources. At Uduoba IT Company, we are your partners in keeping your tech running smoothly. Whether it's cracked phone screen or a slow laptop or optimizing your digital presence with our website design and digital marketing service. Ready to see how much life is left in your device? Don't let bad or old tech hold you down. Contact Uduoba IT Company Limited for a non-obligatory repair cost. Our contacts are in the video description below. Choose repair, choose smart, choose sustainability. Thank you for tuning in. We will catch you next time for more insight on how to make your technology work smarter for you. Thanks for your audience and goodbye.
Thank you for joining the Uduoba IT Company Limited podcast. We hope today's conversation gave you insight into how technology can transform your business and everyday life. Don't forget to subscribe, share this episode, and stay connected with us for more tips, strategies, and solutions that keep you ahead in the digital world. This has been the Uduoba IT Company Limited podcast. Until next time, keep innovating, keep growing, and keep building the future with technology.